In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and use apps and integrations in Buffer. Start by opening Buffer in your browser or the desktop app, and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile or account icon. Click it to reveal your account menu, then choose Apps and Integrations. This is your hub for connecting popular tools that make creating, organizing, and automating content easier. Take a moment to review the available tools and integrations. You'll see options like Canva for quick designs, Google Drive and Dropbox for pulling in stored media, Unsplash for free stock images, ChatGPT for idea generation, and automation platforms like Zapier and N8N for building workflows. Scroll through the list, or use search and filters if available, and read the brief descriptions to understand what each integration does and where it appears in Buffer. When you find the tool you want to use, select it to open its details page. You'll typically see what the integration enables and any permissions it requires. If a connection is needed, click the Connect or Authorize button. You'll be redirected to the tool's Sign In or Authorization screen. Confirm you're using the right account, review the permissions, and complete the authorization. This usually uses a secure, password-free method known as OAuth, so you're approving access without sharing your credentials directly with Buffer. If you have multiple workspaces or pages within that tool, choose the ones you want to connect. Follow any setup instructions provided. Some tools connect instantly, while others prompt you to configure a few options. For example, Google Drive might ask for folder access, while Zapier or N8N may guide you to set up a workflow that moves content or triggers posts. Stick to the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that your account is connected. Now return to your publishing flow. Head back to Create Post to compose a new update or open ideas if you're gathering content first. You should see the connected tool appear where it naturally fits. That could be a button like Design with Canva, an option to import from Google Drive or Dropbox, a built-in Unsplash image picker, or an assistant powered by ChatGPT to help brainstorm captions. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or reopen the composer, and then try again. That's it. By opening Buffer, visiting apps and integrations, reviewing and selecting a tool, connecting your account, and following the setup prompts, you can return to Create Post or Ideas and start using your new integration immediately.